السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالكم شباب؟ اليوم هي أول حلقة من سلسلة واتش دوغ على مستر سيف جيمر. أول حلقة هي. بسم الله، يلا نبدأ. لودينج سكرين. قناتي جديدة بديتها أنا، كان نفسي أبدأها من السنة اللي فاتت، بس يلا بسم الله، ندعي من ربنا إنه يوفقنا. بس لعبة واتش دوغ دي المفروض تنزل 2011، بس أخروا تنزيل اللعبة ليش مشاكل تقنية. يقولوا إنه اللعبة كانت قصيرة واضطروا إنه يطوروها. يا الله الكل ياخذ وكليته. هذه محطة جديدة، يعني يساعدوني إنه ننشرها ونخليها محطة مرة كويسة، يكون مرة كويس. حتطور كثير. هي أول مرة أجرب لعبة واتش دوغ، يعني ما لعبتها قبل كده، يعني كل شيء حنسوي جديد في اللعبة دي، ما نعرف السعر، يعني ما نعرف السعر القصة. أنا قاعد أستعمل جهاز i3، معالجه i3، كرت الشاشة GTX 560، هو قديم تقريبا سنتين. إذا تبون أكتب لكم الترجمة تحت قولوا لي، أنا أبدأ أسوي سلسلة. هي أول حلقة دي لسه يعني في البداية، بس إذا تبون في المستقبل أبدأ لكم أكتب لكم حلقات أو أسوي لكم أشياء جديدة زي ما تبغوا.
Secrets and lies floating in a cloud of data.
شوية أنا معلش أول مرة أصور لنفسي وأنا قاعد ألعب، أصور نفسي وأنا قاعد ألعب على طول.
Stay focused. We got a nasty security system. How much we got?
100 grand in 30 seconds. God bless the rich and famous. We are the modern day magicians, siphoning bank accounts out of thin air.
Hear yourself. What was that?
Hello. I think someone else is hacking in. Let's take a peek.
Let's not.
Stick to the plan, Damien.
Siphon the accounts and get out.
Adventure, my boy. Have faith in your mentor. Something triggered that alarm. Let's find it.
Shit. It's scanning the system.
I'm almost there.
I'm shutting down now.
Don't you touch a thing. What the hell is that?
We need to abort.
We are not done. Help me.
Damien, it's over. I'm disconnected.
بسم الله، اللعبة بديت. الجيم بس هاي قصة.
Maurice,
Yeah?
you're on. One of our contractors ran a search for the hackers in the Merlot job. You're assigned Aiden Pierce. Take him out. Hit the family if you need to. This guy's hacking days are done.
Hit the family?
Got a problem?
Nope. I'll scare him good. You'll never hear from him again.
يا الله من لودينج سكرينز. Ubisoft. بعد 11 شهر تقريبا سنة. اوكي يتجنن دعك بوجه دعك.
Who gave the order?
Don't.
Oh, no.
Meet the family? Not a problem. Nope. Husky, I'm good.
سوف خلاص رابط
You'll never hear from him again.
What do you think, Maurice?
Did you scare me? Good job, man. I didn't know.
أكيد دائما أيضا
Give me a name.
They never gave me a name.
I'll tell you your name.
العب فيه
Lena.
يلا لا تقتله أيوة، كده كده العب فيه لأن اعترف
I didn't know
بكل
about any
القصة.
kids, alright? That wasn't supposed to happen.
I want you to think very carefully.
أكيد
Think.
Look, man. Even if I knew a name, you couldn't get me talking. These guys. I heard stories, man, that like nothing you ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Some things you can't walk away
Please!
from.
Please!
Who gave the order?
I spoke to them on the phone and they told me where to find you. That's all I know, man. That's all I know.
Give me a name.
أتحرك
I don't know! A name! Kill me, man! Just fucking kill me!
نعذبك شوية
Ah!
How's your memory now?
رجال واترك على رجله مين قال لك تسويها؟ مين قال لك؟ أخذ له علقة وأنت زي علقة
Maurice won't talk to me.
بسم الله بدنا
I bet
اللعبة
he talked to you.
نبدأ أيوة شيفت دبليو إي يلا بسم الله كيو هاك هاكش يلا نهكر شيء نيجي نهكر أيوة واحد يفزي ولا ما نقدر
I need to keep moving.
كذا يفكر أي شيء أحلى شيء في اللعبة دي. أوكي
Yo, Maurice! Yo, what's shaking, motherfucker?
يا ولد
Where the hell you been?
What?
He's talking to me. I leave you
Hello,
for
Dave.
2 minutes. Give me my bullets. I tossed them. What? You said you'd kill him otherwise. I told you to hold on to them, Jordy.
قلنا
Where you
مسدس
been
معاكم
anyway?
شوية
I had to make a call. And you get what you need from Maurice?
لا
Oh, you're kidding me. Let's clean this mess up. Stop admiring your work. Hey, that's cute and all, but I'm disappointed, Pierce. I mean, you failed to spot the nasty inter-gang drama I created here. I don't like loose ends. Let's get him out of here. No, too late. Bottom of the 8th. Chicago's ahead. Game's almost over. We are out of time. Nice shot.
ضبطوها
Come on.
خلوها كل
Just a
تصب كلها في
little
بعض
interested in my phone call. All right, fine. Tell me about your phone call. Glad you asked. Okay, we got a bunch of dead bodies, right? We got
أيوة.
40,000 people above us. We need a distraction.
شخص فوقنا
I called the cops. You did? Oh, yeah.
أبلة.
True story. So, cops arrive, and Maurice's little band of brothers.
أيوة.
Jordy, tell me you're joking. No, I called them
هذا
too.
مجنون
Look, we
واحد
get a
قلنا
messy
واحد
altercation
مجنون.
at the end of the game. You and I slip away undetected. They'll appreciate the plan tomorrow.
أكيد لما تنسجنوا مع بعض
Great.
بالسجن
Punctual cops. Man, all these guys, you grab
خلصنا
Maurice,
القصة
get him
لأن
out of
أكيد ما
here.
حنسجن
Maurice, what do I look like, a chauffeur?
أيوه
He's the shooter. I'm not through with him yet.
Dick.
Chicago police! If there's anybody in here, identify yourself.
خليها بالك سيد كور
Body here. Definitely a viceroy. Here's the weapon. Gunshot wounds.
I got another corpse. Another viceroy.
في اثنين مقاطعة فينا
Why'd they have to pick the biggest game of the season for this shit? Trying to ruin it for everybody?
Squad, we've got 2 bodies in the basement.